Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable COD in TikTok Shop. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is you can head over to your seller page at tiktok.com, which is your URL for your TikTok Shop Seller Center. So once you have logged into your account, you can head over in here under your products and click on this manage products right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this loading screen. Now you can see in here all of the products that you have. So the COD actually applies on each product that you have. So for example, for this, let's head over, then click on the product that we have. Let's click on this one. And then once you have clicked on this particular product, you should be able to see this. So click on this edit option right here in order to edit it out. Now this will open here a new tab which will show you the product page wherein you can edit it. So let's just wait for this right here to load, and once it's done loading, we should be able